So hello guys, what's up and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know it's frustrating when you're taking a lot of time to draft out content, you film the content, you edit the content, you design the thumbnail, you look for relevant hashtags, the keywords, you browse and search to make sure that the video comes out nice, and eventually when you post the video you're seeing 0 views, 10 views, 20 views. After all these efforts, there is a reason why you're not really getting those views. And in this video, I'll be showing you guys 5 things that are responsible for your low view rate or why you're not really getting views on your video. Now, let's get into it. Now, the number one reason why you're not getting views on your channel, on your video, is probably because your YouTube channel has been shadow banned. Okay. If your YouTube channel has been shadow banned, baby girl, you'll even notice that your impression is low. I mean, YouTube is not even pushing your video at all. I made a video on how to check if your YouTube channel has been shadow banned. Check the description box for that link to watch the video to check if your channel has been shadow banned and what to do about it. Now, if after you're done watching the video, I notice that your channel has not been shadow banned, but you're still not getting more views or even impressions, then the rest of these 4 things I'm going to mention now could be responsible for your low view rates. Good. And now that brings us to the second point on why you're not really getting views on your channel. The reason you're not getting views on your channel is because of your title. Your title sucks. Your title is not giving. Before you post a video, maybe if you have a particular video you have in mind you want to create, after you're done, or even before you even create, you film the content, I would advise you to use TubeBuddy or you use vidIQ and search for the video there. When you search for the video, just that title that you have in mind, once you search for that video there, it will bring out the results, and these results will show you the kind of topics or titles that people are actually giving their own videos that are similar to what you want to go and post. Then you can use those particular topics or those titles you're seeing on your own video. Don't go and create a totally different topic or title that will not even make sense tomorrow. Either you use TubeBuddy or you use vidIQ, it will go a long way in helping you generate the right title for your videos. If your title is not giving, people will not watch. They will not watch your video. No matter how much valuable that video is, the content is, the title, if it's not giving, nobody is going to watch it. Now, the third thing you're doing wrong or making not to get views is because of your thumbnail. Your thumbnail is also not giving. Now, there's something you need to know. Thumbnail is what people actually see first before they even see the title. You're scrolling through your YouTube feed, you're seeing pictures. Those pictures you're seeing are actually thumbnails. The thumbnail is the first thing people even see on YouTube before they even see the title and even check who posted the video. If your thumbnail is not catchy, people will not want to watch. So you have to post videos that have catchy thumbnails and titles that are giving. Once these 2 things are in place, people will now click. These are the 2 things that will even help in your click-through rates. The title and the thumbnail are the things that will help your click-through rates. If you should push your video to people and they see the title, see the thumbnail, okay, they want to click. Now, it's one thing to click and watch your video. It's another thing for them to remain there and watch the video. People can actually click and click out. You might create a catchy thumbnail and a giving title, and people will now click to go and watch. Now, what is your intro like? It's even that your intro that will determine if people will stay and watch or if they will click out. The intro determines your retention rates. Now, I will talk about this in a totally different video. Because now you might be able to get those views, but they're not clicking out because the video sucks. So I'll make a video on why your video sucks and what to do to fix it. So depending on when you're watching this video, check the description box for the link to the particular video. Okay. The fourth thing that is responsible for your video not getting views is because of your keywords. Are your keywords optimized for search? Because if you're using keywords that are optimized on your video, on your title, even in your description, there is no way YouTube will not push your video. Because you have to use key. That was why I said you should use either use TubeBuddy or use vidIQ. This is leaving you to generate relevant tags, and tags are things that when people search for, they'll be able to go to watch your video. So if you're not using relevant keywords, YouTube will not push your video to the right people. You will not even get the view. But you should incorporate those relevant keywords to your title, to your description, and even to the tag section. Whenever you're posting your videos or when you're posting, make sure you include tags. keyword that you feel like if people should search for this particular thing, your video should come up. So if you're not putting the keywords, I don't know how you want to get the view you want to get. So please include relevant keywords to your videos. Now, the fifth reason you're not getting views is because you did sub for sub. I've said it before, stop sub for sub. It will only help you in getting subscribers that will not watch your video. And if you do something that your subscribers are not watching your video, it will affect your channel. You'll be like, they'll feel like you're not creating valuable content that people are not even watching again. Because you want to go and build a community of content creators, and all of you want to go and subscribe to each other's channel. You sub for me, I'll sub for you. And at the end of the day, you're not watching their own, you're not watching your own, because as you're busy creating your own content that you post, they're also busy creating content for their audience to watch. So how are they watching your video when they are busy? So these 5 things are things that affect your view rates. Either you've been Shadowbanned, title is not giving, thumbnail is not catchy, or you're not using relevant hashtags or even keywords that will help in optimization for your videos. And finally, because you went to go and do sub for sub. These things, if you're able to fix them, will go a long way. If you're able to fix it, I'm sure that your channel will skyrocket and your video will skyrocket, and you'll be on your way to monetizing your channel and making cool cash online. Okay, and finally, if you're not subscribed to the channel, I don't know what you're waiting for. Subscribe to the channel and turn on post notifications so let me start a particular thing. Because in this channel, I show you valuable content on how to grow your YouTube channel, how to make money online, and how to turn your passion into income. See you guys in my next video. Have a wonderful day. Bye.